Hey, it's Alex here from Zahntechnik in Miami, and we have Super Bowl week this week. And we would like to show you our Super Bowl cases from 2019. And there's one case I really would like to start this week because it really moved myself. It's Milo's story, and Milo's, you see the background here. He's a 10-year-old kid who, in a sport accident, lost his front tooth. And we actually, over a period of time, we restored his tooth with a crown. I will show this later on in a little presentation, how we did it basically, what we did exactly, what materials we did use. But that case, exactly that case, was moving my personal history a little bit, my personal story, because I lost my two teeth as well. In about the same age, I was a little bit younger, I was around 7 years old. I lost my two front tooth also on a sport accident. And my dad, who is a dentist, always fixed it over the years basically. And then finally, I think 7, 8 years ago, I got two veneers. Made by myself, of course, with a very good dentist here, a good client from us here. So that's the reason why it's a very moving story for me, and I would love to start that Super Bowl week with that story, and enjoy. Thank you so much.
Here we see the X-ray with the fractured tooth. The treating clinician did a root canal and a buildup. The plan was made to move the root more coronal with the orthodontic treatment so a preparation can be made. After preparing the extruded root, several copings were fabricated in different materials to be able to mask the extreme dark discolored preparation. After a few try-ins, I was able to match the tooth color pretty closely. Considering the circumstances, the case turned out pretty satisfying. Touchdown, and Milos was able to smile.